Here at Lloyd Land Rover Newcastle, we are pleased to present this exceptional 2025 plate Land Rover Discovery, finished in Varesine Blue. It sits on 22-inch alloy wheels with matrix LED headlights and privacy glass. It also comes with one previous owner, a full service history, and the remainder of manufacturer's warranty until January 2028. At the rear, you'll find a generous boot space, perfect for all your everyday needs or big adventures. A third row of seats can be easily electrically deployed, giving you extra room for 2 more passengers, making this the perfect car for larger families. Inside, you're greeted by a stunning cabin with beautifully crafted ebony windsor leather seats and immaculate attention to detail throughout. The front, rear and third rows are all spacious and comfortable for all passengers, with plenty of legroom throughout. The dashboard is clean and contemporary, with an intuitive infotainment system. Above you, the dual sunroofs flood the cabin with natural light. The steering wheel gives you easy access to voice control, volume, cruise control, lane assist and heated steering buttons. Comfort is a highlight in this Discovery, with heated and cooled front seats and 2-zone climate control, keeping passengers comfortable in all conditions. Parking and manoeuvring are made easy with a 3D surround camera with parking sensors. An electrically deployable towbar with a 3.5 ton towing capacity and roof rails makes this Discovery capable for work and adventure. The sunroof can be opened for fresh air on those warmer days. This impressive high-spec Discovery can be yours today. For more information on this vehicle or to get in touch, follow the link in the description below.